Welcome to another Singularity of the Day. Today's question is, how do I account for the internal wire in my SOLIDWORKS routes? So taking a look at an example like this, we've used SOLIDWORKS routing to create this point-to-point connection, but how have I accounted for the internal wire to that connector, right? When I go to buy my wire, the length that's modeled here is not correct. That's not the entire length of wire that I need. I need wire to go into that connector and connect to the pin. So how do I do that? Well, taking a look at a couple things first, right? When we edit a route, I can go in and define a fixed length. But the fixed length here, and we'll go ahead and turn it off, the fixed length is only for that segment. So I'll take a look at a couple things here. I'll hit W to do a command search. Just a second. Let's first pre-select our route. So I'll right-click on the line and choose Select Chain. Now I have that entire path selected. Now I'll go to my Measure tool and see that I have about 717 millimeters of wire. Well, again, that's only the path that you see there. So when I go into Edit Wires for Electrical, you'll notice that this is the value that's giving me here is 20 millimeters more than the length of that path. Well, there it is. I've accounted for the internal wires at those connectors. How have I done that? Well, it's actually a property of those connectors. So when we open up a connector, right, and this is one task associated to using components for SOLIDWORKS routing, is defining these connection points, these routing points. So when we go in, edit these features, or create them, there's an option here for additional internal wire length. So since I have two connectors here, 10 millimeters each, that's why I've been able to account for the additional 20 millimeters of the wire I need to buy. So again, keep that in mind when you're creating routes, to not just pay attention to the length of the line, but actually go in, edit the route, and choose Edit Wires to actually see how much wire you're actually going to buy. This is another way that you can preview the amount of wire before it's time to create your bill of materials. So hopefully this helps work with SOLIDWORKS routing. Have a great day.